I love watching this baking show. And that's all for today. See you tomorrow. Man, that was a good episode. Hey, I have an idea. I could just bake my own cake, like the one on that show. First, I need to find a recipe. So I'll use my computer to find one. Let's see. Alright, so I need to find ingredients to make a chocolate truffle cake. Some of that, an egg, of course. Oh no, it looks like I got baking soda instead of baking powder. Oh well, they're practically the same thing. Some milk, and some chocolate. Now we mix it, put a cherry on, and into the oven it goes. What is it? Oh no, my cake! What?